In a city where spells cost more than secrets, and loyalty is milked like currency, two old allies meet under lantern light, where the fog listens.
Late, as usual. I expected more punctuality from a doctor of shadows.
Time bends for those who don't fear it. You always did confuse urgency with importance, Vizier.
The guild's been sniffing at the boundary. The milk line isn't just a trade route anymore. It's leverage.
You think I don't know that? I drew the first glyph on that line. What's your angle?
Same as always. Balance. And a little chaos for flavor.
If you're here to renegotiate the pact, say it. I'm not in the mood for your riddles tonight, Vizier.
Fine. I want control of the South End. You keep the night markets. We split the Whispers.
You always bargain like a Tom with 9 lives. But this city, it only grants one. You know that, don't you? Deal.